I need to find out about Rheem furnace diagnostic codes. What is wrong with my furnace?
I am the expert on all things furnaces, let me help you.
I see a number of codes displayed. I simply don't know what they mean.
Well, the codes indicate different issues with the furnace. The light with a 2-second pause in between means that there is a lockout of the furnace. Your furnace will not operate during the time the light is blinking. There could be many things causing the lockout. You can try to fix the situation by restarting the furnace, but a gas leak may be causing the situation, in which case you should contact the repairman.
There goes the holidays. Are there any other codes I should be aware of?
One of the other issues you may see with this furnace is indicated by 2 blinks of the light, with a 2-second pause. This indicates that the pressure switch is open. Various conditions can cause this, including a blocked vent.
What does 3 blinks of the light mean, with a 2-second pause in between?
This indicates that the limit switch is not functioning. This may be due to a clogged filter. It means that air is not flowing through the system properly.
The situation with 4 blinks of the light means what?
4 blinks may also mean a problem with the limit switch. In some cases, instead of 3 blinks of the light, you will see 4 blinks instead.
Okay. I will have to go downstairs and check again, to see what is happening with the furnace.
Try resetting the furnace, and cleaning the filter. Also check for any debris in the line.
Okay, I should be able to handle that.
You can hopefully have a happy holidays after all, without having to call the repairman.